All right, thanks to Marielle. Your time 12:16. Meteorologist Damon Matson joining us now with a look at the forecast. And Damon, a lot of people are going to be out and about tonight. You know, some maybe longer than others.
Exactly.
But, you know, around that 7, 8, 9 o'clock time period where a lot of folks are going to be going to and from, is it going to be dry?
What you're saying is timing's important here on this last day of the
very
year.
important.
Very. And yeah, we're keeping an eye on things because we got some weather that's about to roll through. And it is all about that timing because look at this right now. If we could keep this rolling the rest of the day, we'd be fine. It's sunny as ever. Looking out toward the National Cathedral, a few clouds behind it there. And that is a sign of things to come. We do have that next storm system that is whipping its way toward us here at a pretty quick pace. And we're starting to notice it getting closer by the fact that the wind has picked up again, folks. It's breezy, winds out of the southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. We are occasionally seeing some higher gusts around 25, 30 miles per hour once you hit the Blue Ridge Mountains out toward the Allegheny front. So this increase in wind speed is that leading edge of the storm system that will be bringing some rainfall and perhaps, yes, even the chance for a couple of thunderstorms this afternoon. Rain is already starting to show up out across Garrett County right there in the highest terrain. It's still dry and again, very clear closer to DC and I-95. But when we take a zoomed out view, there it is. Plentiful amounts of that rainfall across Ohio, Indiana. What you're seeing here with these boxes, those are occasional thunderstorm warnings that are being put out in Kentucky and West Virginia. So along this southern flank of the storm here, that's where we do have to watch out for the possibility of a couple of thunderstorms. And hopefully, again, we shouldn't see any major problems from that. Many of us will just see that rainfall here today. But for others, this is going to turn into a winter event by New Year's Day. We do have winter weather alerts out across the mountains where rain is falling right now. But tomorrow, it will be snow. And we have winter storm warnings for Garrett County. Here in the purple, winter weather advisories for Allegheny Mineral Counties on New Year's Day as we deal with the backside of this storm that brings colder air, mountain snowfall, and very windy conditions for the rest of us across the entire DMV. Now, here we go with that rainfall. First and foremost, we'll start to see scattered showers and some steadier rain arriving across the I-81 corridor by 3 p.m. this afternoon. Winchester, Martinsburg, Hagerstown, all seeing a little bit of that soggy weather. DC looking good, but once we get into that early evening, 5, 6 o'clock, just after sunset, there we go. We start to see that scattered rain, some of it even heavy perhaps, across north central Maryland into the district, down into parts of northern Virginia there. That will be our soggiest stretch from about 5 to 8 o'clock. By that point, whatever rain is out there will be clearing and things are still looking good for the ball drop tonight. It's drying back out once again, except out over the mountains. That is the one catch here. Tomorrow, then, we will see some snow showers, snow squalls continuing there in the higher terrain while the rest of us clear out. But we'll be dealing with the wind and we'll be dealing with colder temps. Highs tomorrow, upper 40s. Thursday, low 40s. And then by this weekend, folks, winter is back. We'll have highs on Saturday, barely getting back into the 30s.